Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm here with a quick flip through of my Retro Rainbow journal. This journal is 8.5 inches tall by 5.5 inches wide, and it's got an 1.5 inch spine, 2 signatures, 56 total pages. And here we go. So we're starting with red. And here I've got a paper clip with a popcorn bag. And inside the popcorn bag, I've got a little notebook with several pages in it. I can't remember now how many. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 28 pages total, front and back. And then you can lift the popcorn bag up, and back here I've got a pocket with a playing card that I backed so it can be written on, and a bingo card with a pretty red ladybug. And here we've got just some scrapbook paper that had old movies, which is why I thought the popcorn bag, old movie musicals, which is why I thought the popcorn bag would go well there. Here, I don't have anything tucked in here yet, but I used an old sales ticket and just collaged on it using some fabric and Kara's kit and another playing card and a ticket. And it's a side tuck. I just haven't tucked anything in there yet. I can do that later. Then over here, I used some wallpaper that I had to make a large pocket. And in the pocket, I've got 2 journaling cards, backed with index cards so they can be written on easily. And I basically did no true theme. The color was my only real theme. So here I used a book page and made a belly band with a tag in it. And the apples down here at the bottom, I left unglued so that it can act as a catcher for stuff in the belly band. Then we're at the center of the first signature. And here we've got orange. And I used a paint chip here to make a tag. And another tag here. I love this page with the Dr. Seuss tuba playing creature. I don't even know what book that's from. And here we've got a goose, which I know is, like I said, I was going just for color, and I liked the whimsy of all the different varieties of things. And we've got a tag here. And this little coin pocket flips open like this. And we've got a little tag there. So that slides in. That holds that closed. And then I left this open as a little pocket as well and just stuck a little ticket in it. It's got lion and some flowers behind it. And over here, I made little flip down journaling spots using Kara Brandon's mixed media cards. And the string helps hold them closed when pages are being turned. And over here, we've got a little corner tuck with a journaling card in it. And again, I just used random images that I could find along with Kara's items. And over here, I made I used an envelope. It's a yellow envelope, although it got mostly covered, and made multiple pockets. This envelope pocket idea was a Gail Augustinelli idea. So I've got a little card here in this tuck spot. And here we've got a couple of little cards here. My Monopoly money, I actually backed with some index cards so that it could be good writing space. And up here, we've got a tag. And over here, I used, the backing is from a Girl Scout music book. And here's a book page, and then just random stuff. But inside, we've got a card. So some good journaling space. Then I used napkin for that. And here I've got 3 of Kara's index cards with plenty of journaling space. So those are there, and I'll put those back in when we're done. And then over here, I made a top tuck using lemons here with just a journaling card inside that. Then in our second signature, we move into green. And I've got here I used one of Kara's cards and one of Kara's corner tucks, and I put them together. So we've got a corner tuck here that has 2 little bitty tags in it. And then the pocket behind, which has 2 bigger tags, and then stuff collaged behind it. So those are the 2 tags I made for that. And the tags, of course, came from a variety of Kara's kits. And over here, I have made another pocket. Here I got this tree from a book, and I just watercolored it to give it the color, and then just some simple journaling cards to go inside this pocket. And here I just did a big collage page. There aren't any, I should have left some pockets and stuff on it, but by the time I got to this signature, I realized how full I was getting. So I started trying to do some more flat stuff. Here, this is actually a piece of grid scrapbook paper, and I thought that would make really good journaling space. So I just stamped a frog on there and colored it and left that as journaling space. And then the last of the green, and we move into our blue. And here on the blue, we've got a paper clip. And I used one of Kara's coin envelopes, and I used a seed packet that I had and glued that on top. This coin envelope flips up, and inside you can pull on that little tab, and you've got a little journaling card. So that goes like that. And again, the paper clip just helps keep it from flopping around as we turn pages. Here again, I just did some collaging. I stamped this bird and used watercolor to color him in. Here I made another top tuck and a couple of journaling cards. This page, I had done my sponging of color on it, and then I went with my stencil and went over that, and that gave it a lot of depth. I really like the way that page turned out. That's just some scrapbook paper. And here we've got a pocket with a little Care Bear. Oops. And again, I did lots of collaging behind it. Then I used a Monopoly card to make a little journaling card there, and a couple of tags there. Now we're into purple, and again, I had a flower seed catalog, and I just cut out bunches of pictures and collaged those down. And over here we've got a belly band with 2 tags in it. And over here, again, I used a napkin that, actually, I used a couple of napkins to get this done that I had to give that some pretty purple. And over here, another little side tuck with more napkin on it and some washi tape down the side. This is one of Kara's cards, and then these are more of Kara's cards that I've just further embellished, that can obviously be written on, and they just slide right in there to the side tuck. And then we are to the end of the journal. So that is my retro rainbow journal. This is probably, I could still spend hours and hours working on this. And I may still yet. I just don't know that I'm completely done with it. But I'm not sure what else I want to do with it. I would like to have something on the front here, but I don't know what yet. But I've had so much fun with this journal, and I may just set it aside, and as I run across random stuff, go ahead and add it. I mentioned I have room for another signature right there. So I could just add some blank pages in there and then add stuff as I go along. I don't know, but I had so much fun doing this. And just finding all sorts of random stuff to use. It was a lot of fun for me just working on color and not a specific theme. That it made it whimsical, it made it fun, and I absolutely loved doing this project. So that's it for now, guys. Please let me know what you think. And until next time, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.